Hey guys, it's been a while. I hope you are doing well. I'm working on a project. I just finished a special order and I don't have what I need to get that tree out to the customer. So I thought, I don't think I did a video on this, so this is what I came up with about shipping out a tree and you don't have the right box. I hope you'll stay tuned. Hi, my name is Carol, artist of Onlytrees, and take a look at what I'm working on. What to do, what to do, what to do. So I've got these two beautiful trees that need to be shipped out. And I looked at my box inventory, and the only box I have is this huge one. All right, what would you guys do? For the willow and dogwood that I just showed you, I need a box that measures at least 16 inches high and 14 inches wide. So I'm going to take this box that is 15 wide by 22 long, and I'm going to cut it down and make it work. This is what we do. Boxes always have a seam, so the first thing I'm going to do is split this seam and open up the box completely. Lay it flat on the floor. You kind of have to be careful when you're splitting this box at the ridge that you don't tear it up or just use scissors and cut it up, because when I need a box, you need that lip that's at the seam. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so I got a little bit of torn cardboard there, but that's good. So I got the box flattened out now, but this is the lip that I'm talking about. That's kind of important when you're putting the box back together with the measurements you need. So I have the box laid out. This is the flip part. This area is going to be the bottom of my box. So this is going to be the first side. And what I'm going to do is measure up to 16 inches. And I'm going to cut the slats on the outside, not the inside, but just maybe just a light line. So this part of the cardboard, this 16-inch height that I want on the box, I'm going to just score it so I can fold it over, and then I'm going to measure another 16 inches up there. So when I get that done, I'll be back. So God, I'm thinking this through, thinking out loud. I want to share everything that I'm going through with you. So yes, I am right as far as keeping the lip here. This is going to be the bottom of the box. I'm measuring 16 inches up, but I need the bottom, the side, and then the top, and then I'm moving upward to another side so I can bring it down and glue everything together. So that's the process. So I need the bottom, the side, the top, the side to create this box. All right, stay with me. We'll get through this. I took my measurements and I cut my flaps. Now, I did not cut the inside of the box, but I did cut my flaps. Now I've got all of these flaps here. And now I'm going to score the center part so it folds real nice. The other thing that I want to do is invert my box with all of the words and the mailing stuff that you keep, if you keep cardboard boxes, and I do, because I'm always shipping out my trees, and I don't want to go into the expense of buying huge cardboard boxes if I can recycle them, and I take the time to figure out my measurements and go from there. But I'm going to invert the box, so my scoring is going to be on the opposite side that I show you. This is the side I'm going to score the center area of the flaps that I cut open. I scored the center of my cardboard. So this is the bottom that I'm talking about. And I scored here, okay? So now I'm going to have the height that I need. And then so on. I'm going to fold my box up and get it all taped up. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, this isn't pretty right now. I don't have anything taped up, but this is the size box that I'm looking for. Yep, I think this will work. Now, the other thing I gotta remember is this is just recycled cardboard, so I'm going to have to make this a sturdier box. Okay, this is where I am feeling I've got the size of the box that I need now. I just need to get it all taped up together and also make supports, so this extra cardboard that I have up here will be going inside the box. Next part of this video, I will show you what the box will look like complete before I put the tree in. I just wanted to show you that this is the extra piece of cardboard that I had on the top of my box I was showing you, and this is where I cut it off. So this piece right here, I'm going to put tape across, and that will secure the box so I can support it on the inside. Okay, so I have my box all taped up. I got the measurements I needed all taped up, and I also supported the insides, and this is the tree. This is what I was looking for. When I go to pack up this tree, I have corner space, so this tree will be turned in, and that just gives me so much more room in a size box. Now, looks good. All supports are in, bottom, sides, top, and in the back. All right, guys, I hope this helps you out as far as keeping cardboard boxes for that special order that comes along that you don't normally have that size box. Have extra cardboard to make the supports inside. And now all I have to do is pack up this tree. You know me, it'll take me a while. I use a lot of paper. So I'll be using paper straws in between the willows, pushing them downward, wrapping, and then placing paper in between the branches. Make sure the whole thing is solid, that it gets through shipping without any messes, any wires disturbed. Well, I got that box done. Quick coffee break, and now I need to pack up that tree. I hope that you got some benefit from creating your own box when you have a box inventory, but this tree or these two trees going together in the same box on a large base and you just don't have it. Maybe this is a benefit to you on how to take an old box apart, make it a new box to fit what you need to ship out. Okay, well, this was fun. I hope that you guys have an awesome day. I'm gonna go and take a quick break. Subscribe if this is a benefit to you. Wired trees, artists, boxes, roots, trunks, leaves, the whole 9 yards. Artist of wired trees. Have an awesome day, and we will talk soon.